Introducing Siddhapura Machine Tools, a leading manufacturer of drilling machines since 1984. Siddhapura Machine Tools is a trusted supplier of drilling machinery to key sectors such as Indian Railways, Defence and Navy. Also participated in numerous international exhibitions. Our robust distribution network comprises approximately 120 dealers across India and 20 dealers in international markets, underscoring our commitment to quality and services. In this video, we'll take you through our Smtr 401200 model, a 40 mm capacity all-geared radial drilling machine designed for precision and efficiency. This model boasts a dual motor setup, consisting of a 1 HP arm elevating motor and a 1.52 HP dual-speed main motor, both operating on 3-phase power with a speed of 1440 RPM. The integrated wiring and look system ensure a seamless startup experience. Equipped with an all-geared auto-feed system and a double-column design, it enables smooth drilling operations up to 45 mm capacity. The machine features an arm length of 1200 mm where you can easily work up to 1000 mm and weighs 1450 kg. Follow these simple steps to get started. 1. Power up. Locate the wiring panel board and switch the machine to the on mode. 2. Activate the workhead. Press the button on the back of the machine to activate the workhead. 3. Start drilling. Move the starter to the left-hand side to initiate the drilling process. 4. Place your material. Carefully position your material or job under the drill bit, ensuring precise and accurate results. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to harness the full potential of our machine and achieve exceptional results. To adjust the machine's vertical position according to your specific needs, follow these steps. Firstly, you need to release the bolt for vertical movement. Now use the directional switches for arm movement. Press the up switch to raise the arm. And similarly press the down switch to lower the arm. Our machine features a spacious work table, also known as a box table, with dimensions of 510 x 380 x 355 mm. This table provides ample space to accommodate materials of varying sizes, allowing you to securely place your job or workpiece for precise drilling operations. The worktable's generous size and sturdy design ensure stability and support for your materials, enabling you to work with confidence and accuracy. And to stop working, only press All Stop button. Get our app on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, or scan the QR code to learn more about our brand and products. If you encounter any issues or have questions while operating our machine, our dedicated support team is here to help. Feel free to reach out to us anytime, and we'll guide you through a video call to ensure seamless operation and optimal performance. Thank you for choosing our product.